Crack! Whack! Smack! Crack-a-lack-a-smack, smack! Hey, hey, hey! Hey, hey, hey! Hey, it's working!
Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da.
Bam! 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 Bloop, 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 bloop. Ha! We did it, Titans!
Ew.
Really, Beast Boy? You had to make punches sound like farts?
So much better than how it used to sound, bro. Go! Oh, hilarious.
If punches sound like farts, what do farts sound like?
Titans, just listen to the world of sound we've created.
Booyah, booyah, booyah. I don't like this.
Yes, it is the bad.
Then there's only one option. We must make the dangerous journey to the Whisperer and force her to release the world's sounds.
Hoot hoot! Hoot hoot! Psst. We're being watched.
Oh, dude, there's a little kitty over there. I'm gonna go say hi.